scheduled the truck to get serviced today. Isn't that nice? But we go to get in it and the battery's dead. There's more good news. This truck has 2 batteries. So I got help coming to jump me off. To the rescue. My heroes will make it to the appointment. It's running!
I guess you kind of scared yourself.
Thank you so much.
Okay, I'll do the phone like y'all are jumping. Woohoo! We're off.